This is the quadratic equation solver, which calculates the roots, discriminant, and vertex of quadratic equations. Let's look at the input fields. We have coefficient A, coefficient B, and coefficient C. These represent the coefficients in the standard form of a quadratic equation, x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. For this demonstration, I'll enter 10 for coefficient A, 10 for coefficient B, and 10 for coefficient C. Now I'll click Calculate Quadratic Equation. Here are our results. The discriminant, calculated as b squared minus 4ac, equals negative 300. Since this is negative, we know we'll have complex roots. Root 1 is negative 0.5 plus 0.866i, and root 2 is negative 0.5 minus 0.866i. The calculator confirms these are two complex conjugate roots, which always occur in pairs when the discriminant is negative. The vertex of this parabola is located at negative 0.57.5, telling us the turning point coordinates. This vertex represents the minimum point since our coefficient A is positive. This tool quickly solves any quadratic equation and provides comprehensive results. Find the link in the description below.